was asked to make a video on how to thread the Brother. It's a serger. It's 1034D. I hope you can see this okay. But what I do first is on the back, you see up here is a number 1. So the thread comes up from the back and down under this silver piece of metal under there. You push this over and then pull the thread down, and I have all these set to 4. I only have the 3 threaded. So then you're gonna bring this down. Once you come past the 3, bring it down, and it's all blue. It's threader, color coded. So 5, and then here's 2 blue dots on top of 6 and 7. So you're just gonna go under those. And then here it shows it coming up to 8. So you're gonna go on top of this silver loop here. And then this will be in, so you're gonna pull it out. It's a blue, also coated blue. So you're gonna come up and under or behind this silver clip here. You're gonna push this back in, like that. And then it shows 8 and then 9, so it shows it sliding it back. 10. It shows it all in the pictures. We went behind, then we slid it back, and we put it by that little clip. And then it shows it coming up and going through this little hole here, which is right here. So I don't know if you can see that or not. And then it's going to go behind this bar here. So mine came with these little tweezers, which are wonderful. So I've used them on so many things, it's kind of bent out of shape. See how it's bent out? All right, so you just thread it through this little hole. Let me clip off an end so it's a really good sharp edge. Through that hole. Okay, so you can see it. Oh man, I really ruined these. Okay, let me just pull it through here. Pull it through here, and it's gonna go, shows it going under and up. So it's gonna go under this here with the screw, under and up and out the back. I thought I had more tweezers. I don't see any. I can't get to it. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, here's the thread. So I gotta make sure it's behind. Okay, so it's all the way to the back. I know it looks complicated. It's a pain. I hate threading it, but this is how you do it. Okay, so this one is done. So here's this one again. Come up from behind. This is number 1. They're all 1 up here. That's the first thing you do. Come up from behind through under this little metal clip. Push this back. Pull your thread down. Make sure it's on 4. And then this is green now. So green comes under 5 here. This little silver loop. And then it goes under 6, which there's a little blue dot on top of here. So showing that thread goes here. Then there's this 7. And then it shows it going up through this, through this bar here now, and there's a little hole. So we're gonna pull it up through. And it's gonna come out here. And if I had my tweezers not ruined, it would be a lot easier. Okay, so then this goes under this silver bar here. Okay, so that's 2. Here's the last one. So also, this one comes up from the spool through 1, under the clip 2, through 3, down to 4. Then it goes under this silver bar here. And you just follow the arrows. It goes up. Let me move this. And around and down. So it's all around and down. It goes behind this metal clip here. And then this definitely needs to be cut. Let me put my needle up a little higher. There we go. And through the needle hole. Okay. Go through. Can't get it. I had it and then it pulled through. Okay. Let me wet it. Okay, let's see. Let me move this. Alrighty. Okay, there it's through. And it's gonna go down here also. So I get all 3. Pull them all the same. Alright. So that's back. Hope you can see that. Alright, so then you just put this back, slide it back, put the lever down, hold all 3 threads, keep bumping the camera. Hope you can see this. Let's see here. Alright, and then I'm just pushing on the lever. So I'm coming out and it's looped. So it worked. I hope that helps. It took a little longer than I thought, but I think you get the idea.